Everyone, I am Ines Jain from AH Careers. So I am here to show you some presentation of types of computers. Firstly, let me introduce myself. I'm doing my step course in C language from AH Career. The teachers and the faculty over here are excellent and masters in the field. So get back to the topic. So what are types of computers? So first, what is a computer? Computer is something which make our work easier, and nowadays every person, every household has a single minimum 1 to 2 computers. So computer is something which transforms data into valuable information and helps us to make our work easier and calculate things more appropriately and easily. So computer saves our time and consumption of extra human efforts. So getting back to the computer, so computers are divided into many types. Some are here. There are around 10 to 15 types of computers. I have picked some types of computers, so that I can explain you. Firstly, starting with supercomputers. Supercomputers are the computers that are fastest and they are also very expensive. As the point says, the computers are really fast. We can imagine up to it can supercomputer can calculate up to 10 trillion of individual questions per second. So that we can estimate that how fast that works. So generally, supercomputers are used in stock market, big companies like multinational companies like Facebook, Instagram, and also used in the space community in the satellites, etc. So other type of computer is mini computers. Mini computers are medium-sized multi-processing computers in which we at their at a time they are up to minimum 4 to maximum 200 users on at a time. They can work on different programs and get their output very accurately and precise. So mini computers are generally very easily portable, carryable, and very efficient in the work. So their next type of computers are personal computers. Personal computers, as you all know, microcomputers. It's also known as microcomputers. It's basically general purpose computer designed for individual users. Like on the personal computer, we can do anything like browsing on the internet, going through surfing through internet, and using for coding, for learning new things from the Google, or just do time pass or watch some movies, etc. So for our examples of personal computers are laptops, PCs, MacBook, etc. So next, coming to the analog computers. Analog computers are practically designed for processing analog data. Continuous data changes. Continuous cannot have discrete values called analog data. Like for example of analog computers is a thermometer, as you all can see. Its thermometers help be used for showing the body temperature in humans or any other living beings. It's also a type of computer which is used in day-to-day life. So next computer is hybrid computers, as the name suggests. Hybrid computers are something which are both lab hybrid, which combines analog data and digital computers. Hybrid computers can be generally used as tablets and laptops also, which are convertible and portable, easy to carry, and very cost efficient. So next is tablets and smartphones. Generally, we all have tablets and smartphones in our house, and we personally use it, and which contributes in our daily life. This makes our works very easier. Tablets and computers perform many activities. Nowadays, we can complete all the works in tablets or phones, like such as video editing, photograph editing, or just scrolling around the Instagram, Facebook, etc. So here I am ending my PPT. Thank you all for watching. Thank you.